James Treadway, founder of GrowthWise Tutoring here, and I'm going to explain what is in our back of math flashcards. SAT and ACT math cover about 70 different topics in total. For each student, it's hard to know which of these topics am I already good on and ready to take the test for, and which of these topics am I weaker at and do I need extra practice. Which of those 70 topics you're strong or weak at could have to do with which teacher did you have in 8th or 9th grade, or on which topic were you super sick and missed a bunch of school, or whatever it is. So for every student, it's a different topic that they tend to be strong at versus weak at. And with the flashcards, you get a really quick way to find out exactly which ones you need to practice. When you buy the flashcards, we'll also send you a Google Doc for free, which is 500 plus real SAT and ACT math questions, organized by question type according to the flashcards. So as you're studying those flashcards and you realize a certain type of question that you need more work on, you go right to the Google Doc and you'll get practice on real SAT and ACT questions of exactly that type. It's all about finding the weaknesses that you have right now and filling them in. The cards are numbered and color-coded, and you can take them anywhere. They're designed to be completed in a step-by-step fashion, memorizing 5 or 10 flashcards a day, and doing an SAT or ACT math section about every 10 cards that you memorize. And as you do that, you're going to see your scores shoot up, and you're going to start recognizing the different types of questions that the tests are asking. Now, flashcards on paper, aren't these way too old school? You're damn right they are. They're old school on purpose, because with paper flashcards, there's no distractions. There's no buzzing notifications or incoming text messages and a million other things that phones and computers do to distract you. Flashcards will require you to do something called active memorization, where you have to pull it from your memory every time as you're studying the content to see how well you know it and if you got it right or not. Because that's what's going to happen on the test. You're going to have to pull the content from memory. The alternative is passive memorizing, which, because I didn't know any better as a student, I used to do, which is just reading your notes over and over from class or from the workbook or from your tutor. And just passively reading notes does not simulate what you're going to have to do on the test, which is pull it from memory, which is what flashcards make you do over and over and over until you have it nailed. By putting all the content you need to know in a single place, it makes the amount of time you have to study finite. It's not going to go on endlessly like it does with so many other approaches, like weekly tutoring or just taking endless practice tests. The flashcard box gives you an exact start and end point, so this whole thing can be completed and done. If you like the idea of getting to mastery through the active memorizing and undistracted studying that flashcards let you do, you should also check out our grammar, vocabulary, and reading flashcards. Those are really good too. Thanks so much and good luck.